Duke and the Cookie Chase. Jason and his father walked to the front of a big white building with shiny blue glass windows. "See how shiny all of those windows are?" Mr. Franklin asked. "I used nanotechnology to make a coating that keeps them shiny and clean. I also made shelves for our laboratory that are very strong by adding nanotechnology to the metal." Mr. Franklin introduced Jason and Duke to the other scientists at his laboratory. Jason held Duke's leash in his left hand and shook their hands with his right. One person gave Jason a white lab coat to wear so that he would look like a junior scientist. "Does this lab coat have nanobots in it?" Jason asked his father. "Yes, it does. The special nanotechnology keeps the white coat from getting dirty and stained." They walked down a hall and stopped at a door with a sign in big black letters. The sign said, "Keep door closed. This is where I work." Mr. Franklin opened the door to let Jason and Duke inside and then closed it behind him. Glass bottles sat on a table next to a microscope. "Why do you have all these empty bottles?" Jason asked. "They aren't empty," Jason's father said. "They are full of different types of nanobots." Jason's father sat down in front of the microscope. "Would you like to see what they look like?" He turned on a big computer screen over the microscope. "Are there some under the microscope?" Jason's father said. "Yes, so it's important to keep Duke away from the table." "Duke, sit." Jason held his palm out to Duke. Duke sat. "Good boy. Now lie down." Duke lay down on the floor. "Good boy. Now stay." Jason took the leash off and set it on the table. Duke blinked his eyes and put his head on his paws. Jason watched nanobots crawling and turning around and around on the screen. "They have tiny legs. They look like little insects," Jason said. "These nanobots are tiny computers. They kill cancer cells. They grab the cells with their legs and then they heat up the cells until they die," his father told him. "Are nanobots just for doctors?" Jason asked his father. "Oh no. Nanobots can be in the soil to help farmers grow their crops. Some fly high up in the sky to monitor the weather. Others fly or crawl into small spaces to search for and rescue people in disasters. What else can nanobots do? Jason asked again. Nanobots can be programmed to do just about anything we need a tiny computer to do, Mr. Franklin answered. Just then, a scientist opened the door and brought in a plate of warm oatmeal cookies. All of this work must be making my favorite junior scientist hungry. Would you like some cookies, Jason? She asked. Yes, thank you. Jason took the plate and set it on the table. May I look at more nanobots before I eat my snack? Jason asked his father. Mr. Franklin put another slide in the microscope. Those nanobots have holes in them, Jason said. We call these nanocells, his father said. They are specially made to deliver medicine to cells in the body. The nanocell goes inside another cell and the medicine goes out through the holes. Jason did not hear Duke quietly pad up to the table. Duke put his paws on the plate and stole a cookie. Down, Duke. Jason tried to stop Duke. Duke's paw slipped. He shoved the plate, and the plate bumped a bottle on the table. Down went the bottle. It clattered to the floor, and the lid popped off. Down went the cookie plate. The cookies rolled onto the floor. Duke raced to eat the cookie and ran through the mess to the open door. The scientist who brought the cookies forgot to close the door when she left. No, Duke, stop. Jason ran after Duke, but the Labrador was too fast. Duke ran away down the hall with his tail held high.